In this video, let's take a look at how you can submit an assignment by uploading a file. So for this example, we are in our module and we can see our assignment here. Instructions have been provided. To access this assignment, simply click on the title. Now we're in our assignment folder or Dropbox. Here we can again review the instructions. And we see that for our submission options, we have to upload a document. So to do that, we'll simply upload. Most likely your file is going to be on your computer somewhere. So snag your essay and choose open. You can add comments to your instructor here if you would like. And then choose submit. Here we can see in green that a confirmation email was sent successfully and that our submission was turned in March 31st at 2:01 p.m. When you check your email, you should also see a confirmation email there indicating you've turned it in. To view this assignment, you can head to Assessments and then Assignments. And we can also see that we've turned it in here. If your instructor has included Turn It In will appear right here, and you'll be able to see your plagiarism percentage.